2026 has not been the year that I had hoped. One of my goals was to get rid of extra stuff around the house and to bring less stuff into it. So in that way, I've been a little disappointed in myself. Otherwise, though, 2026 has been fairly awesome. This is my new Curio cabinet. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, and it's at my house now because it was free. Yes, that's right. Except for the gas I used, it cost me nothing. Cheap Lionel trains or model cars from eBay, things left at the curb on garbage night, other items that I might find in dumpsters near my house, and now Facebook Marketplace. Take any one of those or put them all together, and I think I've found my kryptonite. I removed the glass door to make it lighter while loading, but this is complete, and even the light works. The only real visible wear or signs of use are all towards the bottom. A little light sanding was all that was needed to blend in the nicks and the peeling varnish. Instead of stripping the finish or sanding completely back to bare wood, I have found that a light sanding followed by a light application of a similarly colored stain can usually be good enough. The flat horizontal surfaces are actually a wood-grained laminate on top of medium density fiberboard. This was not an expensive cabinet even when it was new, but I think I can make it presentable with supplies I already have in my garage. This was free, so it would be nice if I didn't actually have to spend any new dollars or cents on its refurbishment. I waited 2 days to allow the stain to fully dry. Some was soaked up, some filled the sanding marks, but most was wiped off, which allows for the wood grain to still show through. After the laminate and the upper portion were masked off, I applied a light coat of satin finish spray polyurethane. It's still a little shiny here, but once it's fully cured, it should match the original finish fairly well. I'm not as strong as I used to be, so my back hurt for a few days after getting this into the basement. Wood, glass, and the mirror inside are all pretty heavy when assembled into a piece of furniture. But luckily, ibuprofen is a bit of a miracle drug, and after it was all back together, I began to fill it up with 1/43 scale treasures. It's much nicer to see these little cars and trucks displayed like this than it is to hide them away, boxed up in a closet. A curio cabinet makes me think of an upscale toy store or perhaps even a museum. It's the combination of the glass shelves with the lighting and the wood, plus the mirror doesn't hurt much either, and all of it together in a somewhat darkened room make for a really nice display. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.